Kani kadai kedudashan Meghalaya bani priang sngabhai pi baro syakani katup kubor mentagajan mit. Syuaban paish ki kubor ki babane ngini page ya ki mat bekongsan. Kenok kaseng Kongres ya kaseng NPP berpenong kam kayu ya kasang himasima hadian kecing kaseng no ubat Roni di Bendo. An sakang no ibikali banyat ng ba kayo kendailat shan an sabut ru ya ka musical evening ha kendailat. Li Menteri Rangba Gejala ukon Ratki Sangma ya ka karkhana PepsiCo bottling plant ha mendi patha. Bad lapen sangye shwa ya ka project bantau ya ka rugwi hasilong ki hadian balasha ujo da ka PIL hakmat ka yeng ka shari Meghalaya High Court halor ka jingpom ya ki ding. Ki khubor ki babania kaseng Kongres kala keno ba kaseng NPP kala syuthi di ki MLA kani gajing keno kala mi hadian ba u MLA kaseng Kongres uba Roni Vilingdo ulai no ya kaseng banlet penyaso bat ka NPP u General Secretary kaseng Kongres uba Manuel Badwar ulaong ba kani gajing le kapendo ya gajing long jingman ha kaseng char patba katba na kaliang ka MPCC Working President ka Deborah C Marap kala penpau ya gajing bom sngohun halor gajing i no kam chong uba Roni bat ong ba kadai gajing do ya kaseng Henry ka klem kendit pan kala keno ba kaseng NPP kala yalam ya ka sarkar kala pendan kam bakla ya ka board ban penbi ya ki nong yalam kalyang persya bat ong bagi pat ba gajala Meghalaya ken sa a ya ka jubab anda la dai ka por kaseng Kongres kala ong bakan yang halaga jong kan nongrim bat kan penejing mud ban tei biang sa shisin.
So we have this firm belief that this transactional politics that NPP is playing, whereby they will buy anybody out to ensure that the law of the land does not prevail anymore, and I think that has played precedence over everything else. And I think and there's a firm belief among some of us here that maybe it is a trick in which they will at least make the entire not judicial system a little weaker also. So they're ensuring that they're able to trump it.
No, you are wrong. No leadership crisis. We have Congress president who is always with us, who is working very hard. Yes, when you say soft target, maybe yes, I will agree to some extent, because with muscle power, money power, NPP, they are expert in poaching our for MLS, and they are successful in this game.
Kasorkar kan sepen kala ya kayau kendailat tangkum kacaka yat beriau nadu kapor hnyau bejemen step hadu kapor kendai bejemen mit hadian ba kalala ban pen kendri alut ya baro kinong ni badan syamuda parking lot kala pentip basyen an sasamno ada kakar pas bad ansya tang ya kikali jengki beriau basyong ha kani kacaka ban yat leng ba kani kayau bad kan long tang kawe kapas na kabenta kawe kalong giang Menteri Bakmi ya katanat ki kam jengok kai uba polling do ulaong bahalor kani ka senjam ka yeng bishar high court ru kala ai ki jingaro ya ka sarkar namar ba ka penbyang lot ya baro ki jingdon kam na ka benta ki nongde madan nadu ki boarding ki umdi bat khat santali ki chaka le chabar uwei pa ka wei ki nongde madan ken sayo ru ya ka jingarap ka ba shipho hajar tingka leng ba ka check uba pol ula benrap ru ba ka sarkar kadang pen kre ban pen kala dor ya kani ka chaka bat kan sabut ru ya ka musical evening bat kinong trei ban yarap ikinong wan jingok kai ki bawan kai syakani ka chaka.
Elsewhere in the country, wherever hawkers have been relocated, they have only been given a space. However, in the case of the relocation here in Shillong, which was carried out recently, we have also provided them with amenities like proper lighting. We have sanctioned work which will start immediately for 15 washrooms and also drinking water facilities.
Menteri Rangba Gejala ukanrat ki sangma henen kasngi ulapli ya ka karkhana penmi umso ka bahe tam hakathan chatei lamingi ya ka ba laseng da ka Varun Beverages Limited PepsiCo Hamendi Pathar North Karo Hills Kani ka karkhana ka bahe hadu kamba lai punyau akar hamendi pathar latai hagajing lo jingsap ka balai spa saphok lo tingka bat lakmi lenti bakan sapli yikilat aikam ajam hadu kamba san spa ngut ki briau hakathan bat kan kentiu ru ya kayo ka kot hakani kathan da ka baong ba kani ka karkhana kalong ka jingker khu ya ka jela menteri rangba ula bancur ba lengba kani ka karkhana kan aikam ajam ekinong songchnong kani kathan bat kan kentiu ru ya kayo ka kon bat kani ka dei ka jing orlong jong jing thrang jong khpa jong u PA sangma ubal penbenaru bakum kani ke karkhana pan sapleru hakathan tikri kila bajan doba hakaba kaching pentrei bantai aka kadang kala jandem
या इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट बाया आपको रिसर्च स्कूल सब स्कूल सिरांगो या आपको या एरिया नि नकमा अंचनी गवर्नमेंट मेघालय गवर्नमेंट ना रो MIDC ना या लैंड को डोनेट काच बुलसी खोला चिबोंगा बाचो ने बाया भी आपको मामुंग मेजर इंडस्ट्री को खुलिना माच पिचा ने बदा आलो बुलसी खोला चिबोनी जामनो या दा बेग पा रिचाग थम सो 3 crore ni bottling plant ko alo yano sa inaugurate ka ay taha aru yan actually Meghalaya sa nungsa de pa notice kamakon ta bat ka pa bottling plant ko pa
Lapen sange ano shwa ya kaching pentre ya ka roadway cable car project Hashilong Peak hadian balasha ujo da ka public interest litigation lani PIL hakmat yeng kashri Meghalaya High Court halor kaching pom ya kiding hakathain Lao Sotun East KHASI Hills ka state committee kala ajing tip bakala dan kaching pom dieng ka basher khai haka cloud right laban reserve forest nakadaw kaching pentre ya kani ka project Menteri bakmi ya katanat gi kam kai uba polling do ula ong ba ka sarkar kala deb yo lut ya baro gi jing dan kam kenthop ya gi jing bet ban pom yi kidieng na katanat environment katanat forest but climate change ula ban rabru ba ansa thung dieng biang hakani ka chaka hadien bala pendeb ya kani ka project kayeng kashri hakini gi khendet sngi kan sabishar ya kani ka mukadduma
In the case of trees being cut, this came as part of the clearance that was sought from the ministry and which we had obtained before actually starting work on the ground. So we have already briefed the High Court about this clearance which we had obtained from the Ministry of Social Forestry, Forest and Environment, and whatever we have done so far have been totally in compliance with all existing laws and regulations.
Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board lani MERB kalapan sange ano shwa yi kaching penlong yi ka interview na kabenta kaching thungkam ha ka kardan assistant professor but lecturer hagi college sarkar kabalatmu ban penlong na du ka sautarik hadu ka pratarik unailar ya kani karai la shim hadian balayo yi kaching ai chingmut na kibabun ki kartong ban pen betchwa yi ki mat bakongsan khamtam hagi subject kum ka physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, but commerce. Ka MERB kala khod ban yo shu igijing ajing mut lengba ka email ha ka bala ipor khat sau sngi bat hadian kani an sapan mi ya ka tarik ban penlong pat ya ka interview. Habay kren bat kilat pathai khubor hadian ka jinga kandu ya u commissioner bat secretary katanat puli puthi u Vijay Kumar Mantri u MLA ka North Shillong u ba Adelbert Nongrum u lapan pau igijing sngaw hun halor gani ka jing pen sange shwa da ka ba ong ba ka MERB kala pen ken ya ka kendon thungkam ka balong kat kum ka ratio iway la ar la san ula ong kani ka rukom thungkam ka dei ban long ka ba khuoj basuba ba dei ban penlong da gijing to kit la da don kanu ka jing le tu
ada mula penpau ya kita ki gijing bom sungu ya hab namar ka jing violate ya kata ka principal guidelines jongka MERB tapi Meghalaya Education Recruitment Policy ya kaba kila violate kam country kam kat kum gajing tho kabala sai kedar bagi dei ban kidei ban short list mo short listed of candidate kat kum ka 1:2 into 5 kamu 2.5 times
Lapen long ya ka program bakarpang ha Rhino Auditorium da ka Veterans Cell jangka 101 area headquarter ban pensionor ya ki sipai bala syong thai ha gejala ban sengkam lajong ki officer ka Prime Meghalaya ka MBDA ka CM Elevate ka Tanat Fisheries bat ka Meghalaya Rural Bank kila ajing batai shiki sipai bala syong thai halor ki scheme ka sarkar badia kilat ya rap bisa ka senior manager ka MBDA ka Kong Lisa Kharpomtia ka lapen paw ki scheme ki ban sapen mi kenthop halor ki kam yele kai bat ki kam kilan men u director ka Sainik Welfare Board u retired Colonel Darrell Momen u labanchur halor ke jingkong san ban penlong ek sipai bala syong thai kum kinong ai kam ai champat ya ki riu pat ba.
Today we had the opportunity to interact with the ex-servicemen, and we have shared the various schemes that the government has designed for the various entrepreneurship ecosystem of the state as a whole. So apart from that, I would like to share also that we have now an upcoming scheme under CM Elevate which is related to adventure sports. So this is very fitting for them, and it's like very good because these are actually people who are coming out from the service, so they are physically very fit and they will be capable to get this and avail this.
Katkum gaching tha jong katanat puli puthi ki skol nakaleng kathan West China Hills kilai shimbentalang ha ka program thung dieng kabanlong nadu ubanai jeliu hadu ubanai nailur 8000 arpusan lengba ka campaign ek per ma ke naam ka office changka district mission coordinator SSA rengkat kejing trelang bat ka office district forest officer social forestry Jowai division kila penlong ya ka program thung dieng ban pensngau thu iki khana pule halor ka kamram ban penne pensa ya kamariang ki school ki balai shimbenta ha kani ka program kilong ka dulong UP School, ka SSA Panaliar, ka Mustam East Government LP School, bat kiwe. Ka thong jong kani ka campaign ka long ban kentiu ya keching thung ding, bat ban pensngau thu syapang gejing ada ya kamariang na kabenta ka lawei ka bansawan. Ka Center of Learning, Knowledge and Services, Lani Cooks, hinin kasngi kala penlong ya ka program bala ai kerteng ka certification on broom grass value addition and packaging ha ka shnong umsning da ka chingthmu ban hikai ya ki barikor kumno ban shna jingshna bat bante ya usansar ha ka program la samru ya ka sernot bat ki tiar badan kam sha ki nong ishibenta ha ka ni ka program la wan ishibenta da ki he officer ki bakanthop ya uba harvester doling uba dei u assistant director katanat horticulture ikong streamlet sotun na ka Prime Meghalaya uba Vijay Bersad uba dei u director ka Cooks na lor ki weipan ki nongkran ha kani ka sngi kala ajing ro halor ka jingshim ya kani ka senjam ha ka por ka babyang ban hikai kumno ban yang hala ki chong ki chat hakum kani ka por ka du kam bala kan turu ya ki nong sha hikai ban pendan kam ya la ka sap khnang bakan la ban imjak por
Asal sebuah rumah mana kalian cukup fokus but in collaboration with DMS DS pihak ban sim kali ka tentang mana pergi susu ya di nomor pisoni setelah sebuah panen dari Pairu kelak sebuah karya kisah dipakai jungi kisah turun jungi ini polisi celang berpihak di tanah buat di India jungi pergi lah polisi sebuah Dubai itu.
Kajing wad ya usamla pen skemlang karkrang ubadei unong trei belasngi ubalahap ha kapung umyam kalapoi syakasngi kabasan. Henry hadu menta 4 syam lalap ksai AA. Kiken huan ajing arab ka State Disaster Response Force SDRF bat ka National Disaster Response Force NDRF. Kidang yai beteng ya gejing wat ha ka ba kila hiar syadu kamba palat shispa phut gejing jeliu ban persyang wat ya uni usamla. Ukpa jeng uni usamla uba akal bas dekhal ulapan pau gejing sngokia bat sa umdum ba watla ukun jeng usa bala syajingai Henry ulong pat uba biang gejing mut chimperkhat bat syam lapan pau kanu gejing khia jing mut ha gejing du ke Badangshen.
Layawan pun bro banyak pej banyak yarapnya. Hadu damit hadu dakut layawannya. Wat hadu ta si cem kendo.
Laya peliu jingmut ru haluar kumno banyada nagi kam syukor kabalale lengba ke internet hadian ba dangshan uwe usamla puli ulangop ha ka message talk balaong ba kapoi na ka SBI lengba ka WhatsApp bat hadian ba lanyon ha ka link uladu ai shibun ka pisa kani ka jingcia kalapan kendit benriu badan kam banyai beteng ban sngau thu bat yo jing hikai shapang ka rukom pentre kam chong ka digital bat online khnang ban light na kanu ka jingsha talk.
The crime can be committed by using these two things. One is computer, mobile phone is a computer, right? So computer and network. So these two are required for committing cyber crimes. Cyber crimes are different types of cyber crimes are there, like individuals, cyber crimes, and organizations. That affects individual persons.
Kajing ai jing hikai ka ba artayo jang ka district level taekwondo training but selection trial kala kut no henne ka sngi ha indoor sports stadium ha New Nongston West KHASI Hills kaching thmu jang kani kaching hikai kalong ban ithu bat ban chiet ikinong ele kai badon sab ban mikmat ya ka district ha kajing ele kai national games ka balai pukhandai ha usnem 8000 arpnyo u president ka MEGHALAYA taekwondo association uba JGL Sangryang ula ai jing kren shikinong yeshimenta da ka bakentu yaki bakenlong ki badon akor bat IT load yaladi da ka kedau bagajiya kun haga kadan jongkari kadai ka maujam ka bakong sanbha na ka banta unu unong elek kai
kani kadai tanggaran san yaki ban sajir na syudon ban ong ye biru nginai pat ye keren ye ka bayong medal ne yo medal nrei tang ka pinyo ban yu kejat haga rensan jongkari ru keladai lupa ka jingjo nama ka tanggadon ban ong ye pilengkot nai da perkat syukia lani perkat tension pelat siapang ke ai siapang kata senam arjar punyo nrei ngadon ban ong yipim kamtam prepare bala kumnu tan bangan yo kejat hakani ka taekwondo man hakan rensan jagariru kala dei ka buram ka bakram
Penlong Katura Motorsports Club TMSC ya ke program pengkoburam hatura ban pengkoburam ya u Anish M Sangma u balong unong chop hagajinya kop nya kali chong u ha ka kerdan gypsy category ha ka Indian National Rally Championship Coimbatore ajar apsan ya kani ka sngi pengkoburam la penlong ha garis bunepa ban rakhe ya gajing chop chong u ha ka kerdan chong kari u president ka TMSC u Graham Sangma u la penya ya kani ka program Kadba u MLA ka Mahendra Ganj u Sanjay Sangma u Badeiru unong hikai ka TMSC u layaro halor gajing ya lenti jong u Anish kabala ai mensim yaki weipan u Anish u lapen pau gajing sngongo ya ka longyeng jong u bat ka club kabala yai kershan ya u mentangin pet ya gajing long jingman ka sin beneng gajing long jingman ka sin beneng hatura Kacing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius, bat kacing shed kalong life away degree Celsius. Kacing sengam ka hau mentah kesengi kalong nyo pesan nak shispa. Habapai pat shanong ba shilong, kacing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius, bat kacing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kacing sengam ka hau kalong prapo kandai nak shispa. Kat bah jawai, kacing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius, bat kacing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kacing sengam ka hau mentah kesengi kalong kandai po nak shispa. Kala bandan kacing hap slap bat kacing tiat uparthat haki babuan kicaka hatura shilong bat jawai. Te paralog katungila poisha kabukut jong katup kubor jingi mentah gajan mian hadu bangin daya syambiang bat pila syai kesengi kublai pi baron.